The first time I ever used KOHLER cast iron was in my very first home. We put in a cast iron tub. It's still there. Cast iron, being such a heritage material, seems to go so well in my projects, especially for these old homes like the Madison, to look like it belongs there. I wanted to use the Brockway in the hall bathroom with this lower profile. I thought it would be the perfect spot for the grandchildren to watch the water drain down towards the center. There's a charm to it. It's like a timeless charm. I chose the Farmstead sink for the laundry room for so many reasons. The underside of it is actually a piece of the beauty of it. That leg silhouette's been thought of as beautiful and elegant for decades. There needs to be traditional pieces in a room and also something modern. I just think the Whitehaven is such a winner. That material of the enameled cast iron is just going to last and last and last. I was so happy to use KOHLER in this 1902 home. How I designed it and the materials I picked, I think will make it last for another 100 years.